In the Mood Billing portal, the Home tab provides a dashboard view of your account standing. You'll see things such as the number of new invoices, overdue invoices, and total outstanding invoices. To export this data, select the magnifying glass on the bar graph. Select Export. Select the drop-down field next to Format to select how you would like the information downloaded. Select Export to download the desired format. In the Account Statement tab, you can view your invoices, the due date, invoice amount, enable autopay, and much more. Invoices with a red date under due date and days past due indicate they are past due. Payment on open invoices can be made on this tab. Check out the video, Make a Payment, for instructions on how to make a payment. Select the icon, View PDF, next to a desired invoice to view a PDF version of the invoice to save onto your computer or print out. The PDF will open in a new Internet browser tab. In the Invoices tab, view all available invoices on your account. All invoices are shown by default. To see other view options, select the drop-down arrow next to All and select your desired view. The page will refresh. Selecting View Details on an invoice line will take you to a page where you can view the invoice in PDF format and make a payment. Check out the video, Make a Payment, for instructions on how to make a payment. To return to the previous page, select the X button or the Quit button. In the Payments tab, you can view your payment history. This includes the transaction date, confirmation if the payment was successful, the payment method, and much more. To see more about your payment, select the hyperlink under the column Payment Reference. To return to the previous page, select the X button or the Quit button. If there are account statements available for the account, they will be located in the Payment Reminders tab.